Need to change your Walmart display name? Here's how to do it fast. And the display name is, let's say you're selling a Fitbit. You're going to scroll all the way to the right. You're going to see sold and shipped by Jay and Joy. Maybe this is your name. You don't want it to be your name. You want to change it. You can even click on it if you wanted to, and then also see the display name on your actual page right here. So we've got the display name right here. Again, probably want to change it. In order to change it, you're going to log into Walmart. So once you're in Walmart, you're going to go all the way to the top right-hand corner and click on that settings button. Once you're in the settings, then you're going to click on company info, scroll down, and then if you're in the US, you're going to click on manage right here. Once you click on manage, then it's time for you to change your name, right? So maybe you can change it to example shop name, whatever you want to change it to, other than whatever it is right now. Once you change it, so you're going to click that and then click save. Once you change it, it's going to be automatically updated within around 10 minutes. So it's going to be very quickly going to update. Your store name is going to update extremely quickly, right? And then all of a sudden, this is going to update as well. So that way people aren't going to see, if you accidentally put your full name on there, they're not going to show it anymore. So that's going to be the quickest way to change your display name on Walmart Seller Center. And that's it for today's video. If you have more Walmart videos, tell me what to do next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel. We're Walmart consultants, happy to help you on Walmart with any issues or increasing sales. You can contact us right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.